in the holiday time, during holiday time. Oh my god, I can't talk. What the fuck? Okay. Just let me love you. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I created the most basic eye tutorial during the holiday time. So here I am, got my eyelash extensions back from the last time I made a video. Like, I'm such a hypocrite. I feel like ever since I created my channel, I never really talk. I think I'm just super shy, but like there's nothing interesting going on in my life. You know, I just live my life and I just do me. But Thanksgiving was literally like yesterday. What I did at Thanksgiving, oh my gosh, I feel like I'm talking a lot just because, you know, I never really talk to you guys. So I'm just gonna tell you what I did on Thanksgiving before I start this holiday tutorial. I had Thanksgiving on my house on Wednesday. I had family over. The next day I went to my boyfriend's side of the family, and then we went another party to my family's house. You know, it was a lot of food, and literally I woke up and I threw up this morning. Like, it was horrendous. Let's just get to the tutorial before I tell you my whole life. So yeah, let's just get right into it. Hey guys, so I'm switching over to voiceover. So here I'm priming my face with the Urban Decay Moisterizer Water Primer. And now I am just putting on my Fenty foundation. Everything that I'm using will be listed down below in the description box. Now I'm taking my concealer. This is the KKW concealer, and I have like a love-and-hate relationship, but it will do for now. Now I'm just taking that little KKW tool that came with my kit, and I'm just blending that all out together. Yeah, don't mind me because I'm hella not taking care of my eyelashes. I'm just like, you know, doing my thing. Now I am taking the KKW Beauty powder and putting that under my eyes just to bake. I'm just more so like pressing in the product. It's weird. It's complicated. Now I'm going to be taking my KKW Classic palette, and I'm just taking that beige color and just putting that all over my crease. I really don't know what the names are of these eyeshadows, so we're just going to go based off of what I point to you guys. Next, I'm going to be taking that matte white color, and I'm just going to put that under my brow bone and highlight that area. Honestly, that's a really pretty color, and it makes a huge difference. Next, I'm going to be taking more of a fluffier brush, I guess, and I'm just putting that reddish color on my crease just to define it a little bit more. Then I'm just taking that dark brown color and I'm just putting that on my outer V just to make it more of a cat eye look. After blending that all together, I'm just taking my ring finger and picking up that pigment and just putting that on my eyelids. Honestly, these eyeshadows are super pigmented and so buttery. I cannot even imagine putting on a different type of eyeshadow other than KKW or Kylie, because those are literally like my favorites right now. Now I'm taking an Estee Lauder Double powder and just setting my whole face with that just to get a little bit more coverage, and everything's just super seamless. Like I said, you can't have a makeup look without a snatched nose, so here I am contouring my nose like a little catfish. Just kidding. Now I'm over here bronzing. Literally, guys, I had to take out like 5 minutes of footage because that's how much I bronze. I am so obsessed with bronzing. Now I'm just blending out the edges with just a blending brush, and then here I'm gonna take this brown color from the palette. I really forgot which one it was. That's why it's not on there. So I'm just putting that under my eyelid. I mean, not my eyelid. Hello, my freaking lash line. Now I guess I'm just patting in the product. Damn, I'm hella fake because I told you guys something else in the beginning of the video, but I guess I'm just patting away the product, and now I'm just putting the KKW Brighting powder under my eyes just to make my under eyes pop a little bit more. And then I'm just setting my face with my Urban Decay Pollution Protection setting spray. Now I'm just taking my Anastasia Amrezy highlighter that everyone loves. Honestly, I really do like this highlighter. It's like one of my go-tos. Oh yeah, and if you guys like want to see a favorites video, let me know. I will definitely do one. I literally feel like in these videos I take longest on bronzing and like doing my lips. I don't know why, but those are like my favorite steps in makeup. But here I'm using the MAC Cosmetics lip liner in Oak, and then I'm using this new Morphe lipstick I got. Actually, it's really good. It's super matte, and that is in the name Honey. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Please let me know if you guys like to see more videos. Make sure you guys like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you. Bye.